everyone, this is Doreen.
Hello, I'm Paula.
Hello, I'm Mars.
Welcome to our factory. Let me show you our warehouse.
This is our spare parts barriers. You can see that this is a magnet which will be used on the mesh welding machine. And this is SMC cylinder.
These are different copper size. The lower copper electrode base, the upper copper arm. The lower copper electrode to connect with the transformer and the welding electrode. This is water cooling. It connects the water pipe. The upper copper wires. These are the welding electrode for different size. For for different wire diameter range, like this, 20 by 20 by 20. You can use the 6 size. It is suitable for 2.2 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter. So this is 25 by 25 and 38. So this is a bigger one. This is for 2 welding points. These are the reducer for the motors. This is sample, reducer sample. Some gears. This is the small control box. This is the wires, electrical wires. So this is the sensor switch. Different sensor switch. This is the Panasonic brand. And this is another model. Also Panasonic brand. This is the plug and the wires to connect the motor driver and the motor. So these are the saw motor, the Panasonic brand. You see, Panasonic saw motor, AC saw motor. These are the electric parts. The Schneider brand. Our Schneider brand. This is the ABB brand. ABB. This is the inference on the control cabinet. This is also Schneider electric parts. This is our manufacturing place. This is welding table It's 4 meter wide. It can keep the machine assemble welding assemble very good repairs. Machine to weld the machine. With automator to process the machine parts. To produce the machine parts. These are some material to make the machine. These are some half-made machines. This is a big equipment for painting, for machine painting. There are some parts to process here. See, material processing here.
This is a part for the finished machine. All of the machine is waiting for loading. The two-size chicken cage welding machine is for Indian customer. This is the reinforcing mass welding machine for the 5mm to 12mm. This is the cold rolled rapid wire making machine. And this is the wire straightening and cutting machine. The machine is our high-speed type machine.